baddies, so I have a full house today and I am going to attempt to shoot this video with no distractions, okay? Let's see how I do that. Anyway, it's your girl Bevy, and this is another installment of What the F, What's in the Formula. Obviously, I am going to be reviewing trending products that are all through and through my timeline. Today, we're going to be reviewing Pacifica Coco Bond's Damage Care Leave-In Mask, okay? Now, I am a sucker for a good leave-in with medicinal and therapeutic benefits. For those of you who don't know what that means, it means that I like leave-in conditioners that actually repair my hair or strengthen my hair or hydrate my hair or do something functional to my hair besides just, you know, style my hair, for the lack of a better term, right? So I specifically strengthen or repair my hair while it's in there doing all these different things, okay? So I'm a good sucker for a product that has chemical actives in it, technologies that are proprietary to that brand, etc., etc., etc. Anyway, this one, again, is another one that's all up and down the TikTok timeline. If you want me to review a brand that you are familiar with, or if you want me to talk about a brand, etc., that, you know, you guys have been curious about, let me know and I'll go right into that, okay? So anyway, so the Coco Bond Damage Care Leave-In Mask, it is $18. It retails for $18. And what they say here on the site is that it's a concentrated leave-in treatment using our biomimetic technology, okay? So biomimetic technology means that it's mimicking biology. It's mimicking nature's chemistry or you know, natural compounds. So what it's doing is it's trying to mimic the hair's natural biomakeup. So that way it seems like instead of you're putting foreign chemicals or foreign products onto your hair, onto the hair shaft, penetrating the cortex, you're actually replacing or you're adding, replenishing things that the hair naturally does, like keratin or whatever the case may be. So that's just what that is, biomimetic technology, okay? Designed to combat the damage you do daily. Tackle extreme damage caused by bleach, color chemical services, chlorine and blow drying, split ends and frizz, fermented vegan peptides, and plant-based film formers help seal, smooth, and protect shine, okay? So this is what they say on the website. These are their claims. It's for all hair types. The hair situation is damaged. If you need moisture repair, it's color safe, and the cosmetic elegance of it is silky. It's milky cream, smells like a sun-kissed coconut, okay? I mean, they telling you everything, okay? Your hair is gonna look bouncy and smooth after this, and it's gonna feel balanced, less fragile, brittle. So these, again, are some of the benefits that it claims to have. Rich care for the most damaged hair, split ends, and breakage. Helps fill in cracks. Easy leave-in formula, formulated so that there's no sticky, heavy residue. Formulated without parabens, phthalates, and all the other stuff that no one else has anymore. And it's 100% vegan and cruelty-free if that's a big deal for you. But here's where I come in, okay? This is what makes my reviews, I like to say, a little different, is that I like to go beyond the claims and the BS and the cap, because marketers are gonna say what marketers are gonna say. They're gonna sell, that's the point, is for them to sell you, for them to get you super uber excited about a product. Hey baddies, it's your girl Bevy, and I'm interrupting you really quickly because I have to ask this very important question. Why am I not at 100K subscribers yet? Let's keep it a buck. I'm giving you real content. I'm dropping game for free, and I have loads of comments, okay? Loads of comments from my baddies saying that my content has helped them on their path to hair regrowth, okay? Effective hair regrowth. So please, okay, help a sister out. Start liking, okay? Liking these videos to help me in the algorithm. Subscribe to this channel. Share this content with your friends that may or may not be honest about whether or not they need my help, okay? And most importantly, I'm dropping a hair growth serum very, very soon. Please click the link down in the description box, okay? And leave your information so that you can be the first to know. I'm about to turn the hair loss treatment, okay, space upside down on its head, because the gatekeepers don't look like me, and I'm about to fix that, okay? I'm looking out for your interests. I'm really helping you because I really care. This is my mission, and I need your support. So that's all I had to say, okay? Continue on. But I like to check out the ingredients if they're using any ingredients that are clinically studied to do what some of these claims say that they're going to do, if they have any technologies, and if those technologies have any studies to back them up. Okay, so their ingredients here that they have highlighted are the fermented vegan peptides that help seals hair shafts. So if you don't know, peptides are they're proteins broken down into smaller proteins. Okay, so proteins are just too big for the hair to actually absorb the hair shaft, and so peptides are small enough so that the hair can actually absorb the peptides. And so when it's absorbing peptides, it's absorbing proteins and gaining all the benefits of those proteins. Different proteins come with different benefits, but the main benefit of protein is thickness and strengthening. Okay, that's the main benefit. This also has B5, innovative plant oil and extract complex, including quinoa, which is also protein, lentil, which is also plant-based form of protein, and apricot. This is designed to work like keratin. Okay, that's the biomimetic. So it's designed to work like keratin without the negative damaging side effects to your strands or to animals. Okay, and then they have copper tripeptide. I love copper. Any hair care formulation that has copper in it, copper is just, it's a really good hair growth stimulator. But I mean, it just has a host of benefits, including it's really great for helping other ingredients absorb better, whether topically or whether you're ingesting. And so copper is just really excellent to have in any hair care product. And then coconut water. So this is pretty decent because it's using coconut water instead of coconut oil, which coconut oil is extremely comedogenic. So I guess you're getting the hydration from the coconut water. Anyway, so let's go into the cocoa bond. Okay, so let's go. All right, class, we're about to go. We're gonna hop on a magic school bus, okay? And we're gonna really go beneath the BS, okay? And find out exactly what this product is about, okay? So based on the formula or the formulation, this is what you need to know, okay? This leave-in conditioner is designed to condition, to strengthen, and to nourish your hair. And it contains a blend of oils and natural extracts and synthetic compounds that mimics, right? That biomimetic technology that mimics your natural hair, the natural, factors within your hair to improve your hair's performance. And also inactive ingredients that's designed to improve the performance of the product, okay? Some more that you need to know: it has the aloe leaf juice, which is moisturizing and soothing. It has cetyl alcohol, stearyl alcohol, cetyl alcohol, and all of these alcohols, by the way, just so you know, these alcohols are not what you think by alcohol, like witch hazel or alcohol that you drink. These alcohols are synthetics, and these are designed to help you detangle your hair, to give you better slip. It improves the manageability of your hair. So if you have hair that is just very hard to detangle, etc., all those alcohols are designed to really improve the slip of the product and the slip of and detangle your hair. All right, it has apricot kernel oil in it. It has lentils, which is protein, hydrolyzed, cider seed extract. It has quinoa, which is protein in it. Of course, it has the essential vitamins, minerals, fatty acids to seal cuticles. Remember, fatty acids always seals cuticles. It has, it does actually have castor oil in it to strengthen the hair. It has the peptide, the vegan collagen or the vegan tripeptide and the vegan peptide and the copper tripeptide, which supports natural collagen production and it improves the overall health of your hair. I mean, it just goes on, and it has the ginseng root extract and caffeine, which honestly, caffeine and copper together in any hair care product is a boosting agent. Caffeine is a boosting agent. Caffeine is just really, really great for taking whatever formula and boosting it, like taking it to the next level. So honestly, based on what I have here in the ingredients, there are no harsh chemicals in it. You're gonna have your fragrance, obviously. Any products that have chemical actives in it, most of the time they're gonna use fragrance to mask the chemical smells. You may have sensitivity to that, but just being overall a buck and keeping it a buck with you for $18 and all the stuff that it has in it. Specifically, here's what I care about: the copper, the vegan peptides, and the proteins in the plant-based proteins in the form of quinoa and lentils. This right here is and all the alcohols that it has in it to give you better slip, to improve slip. Basically the synthetics in here to improve slip and give you hair manageability for $18. This is dope. Now I'll be honest, I'm a little like, man, it didn't have a clinical study on it. Some of the ingredients in the formula do have some studies to back them up, but I'm not gonna bore you with all of that. But I'll be honest with you, what is my opinion, and is it Hairscripts approved? Absolutely. This is a product that I personally am going to buy. I tried it and I like how it smells, and it smells good and it looks good. But I'm telling you right now, this product right here, based on everything, not that the marketers are claiming, but from the formula and the formulation that I read and the combination and the cocktail of the formula, this formula is definitely optimized to strengthen your hair and to moisturize your hair. So I would absolutely use this, especially when I'm dealing with weaker hair that needs protein. This is a protein treatment in the form of a leave-in conditioner that has moisturizer in it. So there you have it. Oh, my light. Not me, but the sun rather. But there you have it, baddies. This one, Pacifica Coco Bond, whatever it's called, go grab it. You know what I'm saying? $18. You can't beat that. Leave-in mask, and it has therapeutic benefits in it. Yeah, and if you don't like, quote unquote, how it works to style your hair, if you're doing wash and goes and twist outs and you have your favorites, I will put this underneath your favorite and then just apply your favorite on top. Not me, but I would use this for therapeutic benefits 110%. All right, so that's it. I think that this is a record for me. Like, I don't think I've ever had a video this short, so I'm getting better, y'all. Give me a thumbs up, give me a like, just because I was able to keep the video under like 30 minutes, for real, for real. And go ahead, subscribe to the channel, like all that other stuff that you're supposed to do. Stop playing, don't play with it. Love you, bye.